Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Machine Brain. So, so we have completed first exercise, that is time and distance in arithmetic aptitude. Next, we will go with height and distance. Later, we will see problems on train. So, so first we will see formulas of height and distance, and then we will go with based questions related to based questions. So mainly there are five types of formulas. First we'll go with the trigonometry formulas, then we'll go with the trigonometry identities, and then we'll go with the T ratios, that is sine angles, cos angles, and then we'll go with the angle of elevation, and at last we'll go with the angle of depression. Okay, first, so we already know this is an right angle triangle of and triangle OAB. Here, so the here theta makes at a point to go. So here the sine theta is equal to perpendicular line. This is perpendicular line, or else we can call it as opposite as well. And this is the base, and we can call it as adjacent also. And this is the hypotenuse line. So here next, so so sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta is equal to base or adjacent. So adjacent by hypotenuse. What is base? So OA by OB. So without any confusion, we will take this as a base and we will take this as a perpendicular instead of opposite and adjacent. Okay. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AB and base is OA. Next, cosec theta. 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. That is AB by OB. OB by AB. Okay, next secant theta. 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means hypotenuse by perpendicular. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta means base by perpendicular. Okay, OA by AB. Next, sum of trigonometric identities are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These are the trigonometric identities. Next, we will go with value of T ratios. So here sine 0 degrees is 0, sine 30 degrees pi by 6 we can call it as 30 degrees as well. So sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 degrees is 1, and cos 0 is 1, cos 30 degrees is 3 root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees is 0 degrees. In simply we can take opposite of sin theta. 0, 1 by 2, so 0, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Okay, next tan theta. Tan 0 degrees is 0, and tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3, and tan 45 degrees is 1, and tan 60 degrees is root 3, and we cannot define tan 90 degrees, that is not defined. And there are not only the sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, there is cosec theta, secant theta, and cot theta as well. Sorry, the inverse of sin theta is cosec theta, and inverse of cos theta is secant theta, and the inverse of tan theta is cot theta. Next, angle of elevation. So this is horizontal line, and this is a line of sight from O to P, and here it makes angle of elevation. So suppose a man from a point to O looks up at a object P. This is an object, and place above the level of his eye. Then the angle which line of sight makes with the horizontal thought O is called as angle of elevation of P, as seen from O. So this is an angle of elevation. This is object. So this is horizontal line, and this is angle of elevation. So if the object is at below of eye level of is high, then we can call it as angle of depression. So here, so look, here is an angle of depression. So this is an horizontal line, and O is an level of is high, and this is an object, and this is a line of sight. So he looks down. So then it makes angle of depression here. This is also as well as this is also angle, so it makes here angle of depression. So here, suppose a man from a point O looks down at a object P and placed below the level of his eye, then the angle which of line sight makes horizontal through O is called angle of depression of P as seen from O. This is the main formulas of height and distance, that is angle of depression, angle of elevation, value of t ratios, and trigonometric identities, and trigonometric formulas. So next we'll see some questions. Let's see first questions. Okay, two ships are sailing in the sea on two sides of a lighthouse. So we will take, okay, no problem. We'll study first the question. The angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse is observed from the ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. The lighthouse is 100 meters high. Then the distance between the two ships is. So, so let's take this is lighthouse, and two ships are sailing in the sea, two sides of a lighthouse. So this is one ship. This is one ship. This is another ship. So these are all two sides of a lighthouse, and it makes the angle of elevation from the top of the lighthouse is observed from the two ships. This ship and this ship is 30 degrees, and this ship is 45 degrees. So we take this one as A, and this one as B, this one as B, and this is P and Q. Okay, it makes angle of 30 degrees here, and it makes 45 degrees. It makes 45 degrees here, and here it makes 30 degrees. So we have to find the distance between the P and the Q. So we will take this distance as, oh sorry. So by taking, so the here, so the height of the lighthouse is 100 degrees. So sorry, the light of the, so here the lighthouse is at height of 100. Okay. By taking tan theta here, we will get PB distance, and here by taking tan 45 degrees, we will find QB distance. So we will check the explanation. So let AB be the lighthouse, and C and D be the position of the ships. So here we took P and Q. So here AB is 100 meters, and the angle of distance of ACB is 30 degrees, and 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 from this we will get AC distance. AC is equal to root 3 into AB. Root 3 into AB. So we will get 100 root 3 here, and from from tan 35 we will get AB by AD. So we will get equal distance as 100 meters. Okay, so from we have to add this CA and AD to get CD distance. So 100 root 3 plus 100, so 100 will take common, root 3 plus 1, so 100 root 3 value 1.73 plus 1 2.73, we will get 273 meters. Okay, I hope you understand this question, and we will see second question. So a man standing at a point P is watching at the top of the tower, which makes an angle of elevation of 30 degrees with a man eye. So let us take, this is a tower and a man standing at a point P. So here we take point P. Here we take point P. Okay, fine. Which makes an angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So here angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay, and a man walks some distance towards the tower, and it watch it the top of the watch it, and the angle of elevation becomes 60 degrees. So this man walk towards the tower, and after that it makes the angle of elevation of 60 degrees. So here it makes, so here it makes 60 degrees. Okay, and we will took this point as Q, and we will take this A, and this is as B. Okay, next. So what is the distance between the base of the tower and the point P? We have to find the base of the distance from the point P. Okay, we have to find out this PB distance here. So here we don't have height of the distance. So if there is an height of the distance, then we can able to find out the PV distance. So here data is inadequate, so we don't have sufficient data, so we can't able to do. The option is D. So the option is D, data inadequate. So next we will go with third question. So the angle of elevation of a ladder running against the wall is 60 degrees, and the foot of the ladder is 4.6 meters away from the wall. The length of the ladder is, so here this is a wall of 4.6. Okay, sorry, and this is an ladder. It makes 60 degrees. It makes 60 degrees here. The foot of the ladder is, from the foot of the ladder 4.6 meters away from the top, meters from away from the top. Okay, then we have to find the length of the ladder. We have to find this length of the ladder. So by taking cos theta, we will able to find this ladder. Okay, so we'll go with explanation here. So here AB line, and AC distance is 4.6 meters, and it makes 60 degrees angle. So by taking cos 60, the cos 60 value is 1 by 2, and it is opposite by AC by BC. So we'll get BC is equal to 2 into AC, and so AC value is 4.6 meters. So we'll get 9.2 meters. So option is D. Next, fourth question. So an observer 1.6 meters tall is 2 root 3 away from the tower, and the angle of elevation from his height to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Then the height of the tower is, so here is an observer with 1.6 meters 1.6 meters tall, and here is a tower. Okay, here six meters. So we make angle of elevation of 30 degrees from his eye. From his eye. Next, here we have to find the height of the tower, and The distance from the observer on the tower is 20 root 3. Okay, and here also we will get 20 root 3 also. Here also we will get 20 root 3. So from by using sin theta, sorry, by using tan theta we will get height of the distance. We will get this point, and 1 by plus by adding 1.6 we will get total height of the tower. So we will go with explanation, then you will get more idea then. So here AC distance is 20 root 3 and height of an observer is 1.6 meters, and it makes angle of 30 degrees angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the tower. And by taking tan theta, by taking tan 30 we will get DE, we will get DE as 20 meters, and by adding 20 distance with 1.6 we will get 21.6. So the option is A. And at last we will go with fifth question. So from a point P on level ground, the angle of elevation of the top tower is 30 degrees. If the tower is 100 meters height, then the distance of the point P from the foot of the tower is. So this is the tower and is at a distance of P, and he makes the angle of elevation of 30 degrees. It is at a distance of P, and we will take these two as A and B. And we have, this is the tower of 100 meters. So this is 100 meters. So we have to find this PB distance here. The distance of the point P from the foot of the tower is by using sin 30 degrees, sorry, by using tan 30 degrees. So we will get this distance. So this is an homework question for you. After solving this question, please write the correct option in comment section. That's all for this today's section. So I hope you all understand the formulas and that questions. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe the my YouTube channel.